Oxygen had nothing to do with it. So Gallup kept digging. He looked at when yawns actually happen. Not when people are short on oxygen, but when their brain temperature spikes. When you wake up. When you're nervous before something important. When you shift from one mental state to another. And he found something that nobody had looked for. Yawning cools the brain. When you open your jaw wide and inhale, you're drawing cool air across the sinus cavity, right beneath the base of the brain. The stretching of your jaw increases blood flow. The cool air drops the temperature of that blood by a fraction of a degree. And that fraction of a degree matters,